up, big bags, and what's up, family? So tonight, your girl is still on her diet. So tonight I made some broccoli, the Red Lobster Cheddar Bay biscuit, some protein salmon pasta Alfredo, and extra protein. I got some lobster tail. So let's get into this. Let's get into this pasta first. I seasoned that good, y'all. The broccoli. Okay, let's try this lobster. Yeah. The lobster with the pasta, y'all. It's a little hard to come apart, but I promise y'all it's not tough once you chew it. It's very tender when you put it in your mouth. But y'all, this is good. Y'all see that? Bye, y'all.